Can you make hundreds of dollars by simply reselling a $1 calendar? Let's find out. Hey, this is Matt from Let's Not Be Fools, the channel that brings you financial and other life advice. Click to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. I'd appreciate it. Take a look at this wall calendar. I picked it up at Dollar Tree for $1, obviously, and actually it has 2 calendars in there, which is a bonus. Now, normally I pick a bunch of these up and give them out as Christmas gifts to my family and friends. I'm just kidding about that. But normally I do pick one up every year and I use it as a wall calendar. But this thing is only $1. Now, do you think you can actually buy this and resell it and make hundreds of dollars? Well, somebody on eBay is actually doing that. Let's take a look. Here's a seller on eBay that's selling a national parks calendar, not unlike the calendar I showed you from Dollar Tree. He's selling it for $7.50, and he's also charging $2.99 for shipping. So that $2.99 probably covers postage and the envelope it goes in. So really, he is making $7.50 minus the cost of the calendar. Let's say it's $1. He's making $6.50 on each sale, roughly. So this shows his sales history, and you'll see that this seller has it listed at $7.50, but it looks like he's sold one as high as $8.25 recently. His price has not always been that high. If we go down here, you can see he was selling it for $6, $5, $4. He kind of started down in the $3 range back in early November. But he sold quite a few calendars. So he's actually seen the price point and he said, hey, I'm selling a lot here at $3.55. I'm going to keep bumping up the price, and he does that, and he's all the way up to $7.50 today, and he went as high as $8.25. So let's assume he sells another 80 calendars and he nets out, let's say, $6 of profit per calendar. That's almost $500 of profit right there. That's pretty impressive. Today is Saturday, November 30th, and yesterday, November 29th, this seller sold one calendar at $8.25. I mean, this seller didn't even have a Black Friday sale. What's the deal? Anyway, today the seller is listing the calendar at $7.50. And look at this, actually there are 31 watchers. That's amazing. So for something like this, selling a wall calendar and making $6 per sale, you got to ask yourself, is it really worth your time? Maybe it is. Maybe if you're really young or a teenager and this is just a little extra income you can make and you're just sitting around playing video games anyway, then it's probably worth your time to do it. When you're older, you might need a little more return on your time. But you take a little simple thing like this, a product you can buy from Dollar Tree or somewhere else and flip it and sell it for maybe $6 or $7 or $10. You might be able to get one of these products. You might be able to get 5 products. What if you had 5 products that you could do that with? Now you're talking about a few $100s a month or several $100s a month, or maybe 10 products. Then you're talking about some real money. But again, whether you're selling 5 things or 10 things on eBay, you got to really figure out if it's worth your time overall. Are you getting the $10 or $20 or $30 an hour that you really want? Or are you just making $5 an hour? That's less than minimum wage. What's the point? I just wanted to bring this up to show you the opportunities out there. No, you're not going to get rich reselling these calendars, but there might be other products that are worth your time to sell on eBay, and it's going to be worth your time in exchange for the money you get. And it may be a few $100s a month, it may be several $100s a month. But just open your mind up to see, maybe you can do this as a side income. Maybe it's a side hustle, selling things on eBay. It's an opportunity out there for those who are seeking it. I just wanted to bring it up for you. Maybe you're not interested at all. That's fine. Hey, have a great day.